So guys, in this video we are going to learn that how we can remove any object from any pictures, and you don't even need to any Photoshop or any software. We will do it with online website and it will just do it in almost 5 seconds or 10 seconds. You can do it. So this is an image. We will just remove this object from the picture. So first we need to go on your Chrome browser or whatever the browser do you use. So this is the website, that is cleanup.pictures. You need to visit this website, and over here you can see you need to drag and drop the image here. We will select click on it and select the image, and we will open this. And now here you need to select the erase option, erase icon. You can see over here, you need to click on it, and we will just select the objective, whatever the object you wanted to remove from the image, and we will select this, and it will automatically remove the object. It will take some time. Just like you can see over here, something is different here, so we will again do it, and we will select the this area which is not looking good, and it will automatically fix this. And now you can see that the shadow is remaining here, so we will also select this, and it will also make it clear from here on the picture. So this is the easy thing you need to do if you wanted to remove any object from the any picture. So you can use this website. That is very amazing website. This is cleanup.pictures that you can use. So thanks for watching.